Hi, I'm PrepperMark, and today I want to talk to you about something most preppers don't consider or put much thought into when prepping. And that's your health care, dental care, vision care, and your hearing. Now let's start with your hearing. If you have to bug out into a wilderness area, then you're going to need good hearing to help you survive. You're going to have to be able to hear if someone's in the area or if someone's coming towards your camp, or be able to hear any wildlife that might be in the area that could be a danger to you. If you're out hunting, then you're going to have to be able to listen for any signs of wildlife you're hunting for. You're also going to need to hear any water flowing from a stream or a creek that you might be hiking by but can't see. Or if you're in a situation where you can't talk out loud and someone has to whisper something very important to you, you're going to need to be able to hear them. And if you can't hear them, you could be in big trouble. Or if you're bugging in and someone tries to break into your house, then you're going to have to be able to hear that too. So hearing is going to play a very valuable role in your survival. You should have your hearing checked every year. And if by chance you need to get a hearing aid, then you need to get one as soon as possible. And hearing aids require batteries, so you need to stock up on hearing aid batteries too. A hearing aid isn't going to do you any good if you don't have a good battery in it. Now let's talk about your dental care. The last thing you want to happen to you in an it hits the fan situation is to have a toothache. In an it hits the fan situation, you won't be able to call your dentist up and have him take care of your toothache right away. You'll more than likely have to pull the tooth yourself or have someone else pull the tooth for you without anything to numb it up with, and probably have to use something like a pair of pliers to pull it with. And trust me, you won't want to go through that. So to avoid going through something like that, make sure you get your teeth cleaned every 6 months. And if you need any kind of dental work done, then get it done right away. That way if it does hit the fan, you'll have one less thing to worry about. Also, make sure you include toothpaste, dental floss, extra toothbrushes, maybe some anti-cavity dental rinse and your prepping items to help keep your teeth in good shape. Now let's talk about health care. In an it hits the fan situation, you're not going to be able to call your doctor up and make an appointment or go to the ER if something starts to bother you. So you need to keep your health care up to date. You need to see your doctor once a year and get a complete checkup and get all the tests done he wants to do. This way, if he finds anything wrong, he can get you fixed up right away. Now if you're already under a doctor's care, then follow his schedule for you. If anything is bothering you, go to a doctor right away and have it checked out. You want to make sure you're in the best possible health that you can be in, and you want to keep it that way. If you are on any type of prescription drugs that you have to take regularly, then you want to try and stockpile as much of those drugs as you can without them going bad or without you going broke doing it. You will also need to talk to your doctor about what you can do if something would happen and you can no longer get your meds. See if he suggests tapering off your meds or keep taking your meds till you completely run out of them. And ask them if there's anything else you can do if you cannot get your meds. Also ask them what would happen if you ran out of your prescription meds so you know what to expect. Now let's talk about vision care. Your vision is also going to play a key part in your survival. If you have to bug out into a wilderness area, then having good vision will help you to survive. When I'm out hiking a wilderness area, my eyes are always scanning the area looking for everything and anything. I've walked up on poisonous snakes, and because my eyesight is good, and because my eyes are always scanning the area, I have always been able to see them from a far enough distance that I could avoid them. With bad eyesight, then I could have very easily not seen them and gotten bitten, and that could have been deadly. I also see a lot of wildlife because of my good eyesight. I'm able to see wildlife before they see me, so then I just stop moving and stand there and watch them. With bad eyesight, then the wildlife would have seen me first, ran away. Chances are I would have never seen them. Also, you need good eyesight to scan the ground you're walking on, so you don't step in a small hole or get your foot caught between a couple of rocks or sticks and possibly twisting or breaking your ankle. You also need good eyesight to scan the area around you and look for things that you can use or look for a food source. You also need to be able to see things close up too. You need to be able to see to put fishing line through a fishing hook or be able to thread a needle. You need to be able to read a map and see the different things on a map. So for all those reasons and a whole lot more, you need to have your vision checked every year. And if you have to get glasses, then get them right away. And you might want to get contact lenses because they make you look better, but don't. Always get glasses before getting contact lenses because glasses will last a lot longer if taken care of. And when getting glasses, see if you can find a 2 pairs for the price of 1 pair deal. Now, you have to be careful with this because some places just try and get you for more money, but if you can get an extra pair of glasses for free or just a couple of dollars more, then it's well worth it. This way, you'll have a backup pair in case your glasses gets broke or if you would lose them. If you can only afford 1 pair of glasses, then do something I do. Every time I get a new pair of glasses, I keep my old pair just in case I need a replacement part or something would happen to my current pair of glasses, then I have a backup pair. Now, if you only need glasses to see things close up and don't wear them all the time, or if you have a backup pair, then keep them in a hard case so they don't get broken. And it hits the fan situation, you won't be able to just run down to your local mall and pick up a new pair of glasses. Well, I'm PrepperMark. I want to thank you all for watching. Take care and God bless.